So like I said earlier, so far I'm really loving the rumble of this 5.7 liter. And the steering wheel, I didn't really get a chance to get a feel for it, but I'm loving it. It just looks so sleek and it feels really nice in my hands, nice and thick. And especially with that heating, ooh, feels so, so great. So I'm gonna put it into sport mode now. And it does pull, it really does. And I like that under this light throttle, it's really just a slow rumble. And I feel like I'm in a luxurious SUV, one that would garner $80,000, $100,000 like this one does. But what makes the Wagoneer so great is just the overall elegance of the interior, the exterior. It looks fantastic and the seats feel fantastic. You have all the luxury amenities you could want. We'll give it a little throttle here getting on the interstate. And really good pickup from this motor. So with the lane management on and the adaptive cruise, pretty good at staying in the lines. And it's actually pretty quick. When the lane split into two, it didn't necessarily go crazy or hesitate, and once it found the line it was in, it quickly readjusted. But the brake pedal feels really good. And just a really soft, plush ride so far. And there's the auto stop that just came on. So this will bring me to the end of my review of the all-new 2022 Wagoneer Series 2.